सत्कार्याचे प्रतीक येथे आहे.
Good morning to one and all present here. Happy Teachers' Day to everyone. I, Aparna Parsekar, would like to welcome our respected Principal Sir, Mr. Alok Sharma, our Primary Headmistress, respected Jagdare Madam, Pre-Primary Headmistress, respected Rashmi Madam, our loving Supervisor, Jaswinder Ma'am, and all our dear teachers to today's Teachers' Day program. Our students would like to acknowledge and express their gratitude towards the supreme art of our teachers to awaken the joy in seeking knowledge. Indeed, the influence of a teacher can never be erased. Without teachers, life would have no class. Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and heart to love. A teacher plants the seeds of knowledge with love and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's dreams. A teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Teachers paint our minds and guide our thoughts. They ignite the imagination and inspire the love for knowledge. Teachers, as you light our path to brighten our future, with each lesson you teach, each smile you lengthen, each goal you help us reach, for the dawn of each poet, each philosopher and king begins with the wisdom you bring. Thank you.
Thank you, Aparna. Children, 5th September is celebrated as Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. He was Vice President and Second President of India post-independence. He was awarded Bharat Ratna. He was the most distinguished person, scholar of religion and philosophy. He worked as professor at various Indian and international colleges like Madras Residence College, University of Mysore, University of Calcutta, University of Oxford and Chicago. Now, Heer Sharma from 7th is going to sing a song for us which is directed by Komal Miss.
Morning to one and all present here. I am Heer Sharma from class 7C. Today on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I am going to present a song for teachers. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन.
It was a lovely song. Thank you, Heer. Now, Priyani Rowdy from 7th is going to tell us a short speech on Teachers' Day.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurudevo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Good morning to all of you gathered here to celebrate the special occasion of Teachers' Day. I am Priyani Rowdy of class 7 and it gives me an immense pleasure to be here and talk about the main personalities of the day, our very own teachers. It is well-known fact that every year we celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day in the memory of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher for excellence and also one of the successful President of India. Teachers' Day is a special and important day as students offer their respect to teachers in the recognition of their contribution in the field of education. Teachers are building blocks to our life. They act as second mother and father to all students. As students, we have been sometimes tough to handle, but your individual attention has always helped us to learn from our mistakes and grow. I take this opportunity to mention on Teachers' Day how much all of you mean to us. I take this stage to confess that we may all not be in your good books, but this is the best day for all of us to express how much we love you as students. On this occasion, on behalf of all the students, I would like to thank all the teachers for molding us into worthy personalities to face the world boldly. Thank you.
Thank you, Ananya. It was a wonderful speech. Now, Riya Jha from 8B, she is going to share her experience from pre-primary days.
Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Happy Teachers' Day to Principal Sir and all my respected teachers. This is Riya Jha of class 8B wanting to share few words from my heart. 5th September is marked as Teachers' Day to celebrate birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers are the light of the world. They are the beacon in the dark and is the hope which gives us strength to survive. Learning and teaching starts with our pre-primary section. Pre-primary section is not just the place where we start education, but it is where we are taught what is right and what is wrong, morality and values. Mrs. Rashmi Kulkarni ma'am has always been inspiring, motivating and encouraging us students. Teachers are our second mother. They empower us for our future journey. They open the door for success. Thank you Mrs. Rashmi Kulkarni ma'am and all the pre-primary section teachers for guiding me and nurturing me. I will always be grateful for all you have taught me. I would like to conclude my speech now by wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Riya. It was a wonderful experience. Children, teachers have three loves. Love of learning, love of learners, and the love of bringing the first two love together. Now, Shravani Panse from 8th B will share her experience of primary days.
Morning to one and all present here for celebrating the special occasion of Teachers' Day. This is Shravani Panse of class 8B would like to share with you all my experiences with my primary teachers. So first of all, I like to talk about our headmistress, Mrs. Rohini Jagdale ma'am. Although she is strict, but she is very kind from the heart. She always helps students in case of any difficulties. Now, our Swati Miss. Swati Miss always wanted us to be perfect in our work. So she brings out the perfection in us by guiding us. Seema Miss and Bajwa Miss created our interest in maths and science. Mandke Sir, who motivated us for sports activities and encouraged us to participate in many inter-school competitions. Now, one of my favorite teacher, Vinya Miss. Because of her, I started developing interest in drawing. Santosh Sir always made our school assembly active by the song he taught us and improved our English by correcting our grammar. Rakhi Miss opened the doors to history and geography. I would like to thank all my teachers because of whom I am standing here. So, thank you to all my teachers and I love you so much.
Thank you, Shravani. I was overwhelmed by her speech. To learn means to teach twice. When we are teaching, we are learning also. Now Pallavi from 10th standard will give a short experiences from her pre-primary to 10th standard.
Good morning everyone. This is Pallavi from class 10th. A teacher. What is a teacher? A teacher is a person who enlightens you every time with their knowledge. She always brings you out of darkness. Even I have many teachers, subject teacher, class teacher, and yeah, everyone has a favorite teacher. Teacher would be of different kind, easygoing, strict, caring, friendly, but every teacher has the same motive, to make their students good and knowledgeable person. A teacher always wants the students to improve. A teacher teaches us to be a good person, a good human being in life. That's why it is said, without teacher, life would be of no class. We all have many secondary teachers. They had been teaching since many years. They all have given their knowledge and many years of life to us. That's why teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. We all are able to learn so much from their experience of life. Our teacher always consider us their own children. They scold us, punish us, just to make us realize our mistake and even praises us for our achievement, just like a mother. That's why it is said, teachers are our second mother. Even their punishments also have learning for us, like write down the line 50 times would be work towards perfection. Every teacher is best in their subject. That they not only teaches us about the subject but also shares their experience with us, which inspires a lot. The teacher is considered as a god, says the shloka. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. The teacher teaches us, they guide us, they support us, and they inspire us. So, today is the day to thank them and say, Happy Teachers.
Thank you, Pallavi. What sculpture is? To block of marble, education is to a human soul. Our Sudhir Date sir is going to give a speech on Teachers' Day.
Good morning to you all, Honorable Principal Sir, respected Jagdale Madam, respected Rashmi Madam, respected Jaswinder Madam, and dear teachers. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Dear teachers, a teaching is said to be a noble profession, and we are in this profession and throughout our career, we feel young and energetic because each and every year, new batch of students with full energy comes under us for learning. And we, the teacher, also learn many things from the student. Sometimes a different way of solving problem, sometimes a different way of writing answer, and even sometimes a different level of mischievousness. And therefore, we teachers throughout our life feel as a students because we are learning so many new things. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, who received Nobel Prize for his poetry Gitanjali in 1913, was counting his last moment. वो मूर्तिशय पे थे और विश्वविद्यालय के एक प्रोफेसर उनको मिलने के लिए आए, तो उन्होंने देखा कि गुरुदेव की आंखों में आंसू थे. देन प्रोफेसर आस गुरुदेव किम मृत्युम भय, गुरुदेव क्या आपको मृत्यु से भय लग रहा है? देन गुरुदेव रिप्लाइड विद फ्यू लाइन्स फ्रॉम द पोएट्री, ओ गॉड योर ओशन इज सो वास्ट and my basket is so small, I could take a small thing from that. हे भगवान, आपका न्यान रूपी सागर इतना बड़ा है, लेकिन मेरी बाल्टी इतनी छोटी है कि मैं थोड़ा ही ले पाया हूँ. Dear teachers, Gurudev, who is said to be a laureate of the knowledge, can think that he has learned very small thing. So what about us? We should also learn so many things, and we should also be a student throughout our life. Now, I would like to express my views on such a good visionary, good teacher, and the founder of the university, none other than Dr. Patangraoji Kadam, and I would like to express my views on him.
शिक्षक दिनानिमित्त साहेबांविषयी मी माझे मनोगत व्यक्त करीत आहे. शिकवता शिकवता आपण आकाशाला गवसणी घातली, शिकवता शिकवता आपण आकाशाला गवसणी घातली, शून्यातून विश्व निर्माण करण्याची आस आपण धरली. आपल्या गरुड झेपेतून अमूल्य कार्य झाले. आपल्या गरुड झेपेतून अमूल्य कार्य झाले. भारती विद्यापीठ नावाचे अभिमत विश्वविद्यालय स्थापन झाले. ऊन, पाऊस, वारा याची तमान बाळगता अहोरात्र मेहनत केली. ऊन, पाऊस, वारा याची तमान बाळगता अहोरात्र मेहनत केली. शिक्षक, संस्थापक, कुलपती, मंत्री अशी यशाची अनेक पदे भूषवली. आपल्या भारती विद्यापीठ या वटवृक्षाखाली अनेकांचे संसार आकार घेत आहे. साहेब आपले नाव सर्वांच्या मुखी आहे. साहेब आपले नाव सर्वांच्या मुखी आहे. Once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now our Nitin sir is going to recite a poem.
नमस्कार, मैं नितिन सावंत शिक्षक दिवस समारोह पर उपस्थित प्राचार्य श्री आलोक शर्मा सर, पूर्व प्राथमिक और प्राथमिक मुख्याध्यापिका सौ रश्मि कुलकर्णी मैडम, सौ जगदाळे मैडम, सुपरवाइजर मैडम, आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. सभी शिक्षकगण को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर एक कविता पढ़ने में आई. आज कोरोना के प्रादुर्भाव में हम बड़े ही संकट के समय में चल रहे हैं. इसी दौरान एक कविता जो पढ़ने में आई है उसे मैं आपके सामने पेश करता हूँ. देखिए, एक शिक्षक के मनोभाव इस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के दौरान. कभी सोचा न था चौक डस्टर छोड़ ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगा. कभी सोचा न था चौक डस्टर छोड़ ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगा. उन मुस्कुराते बच्चों से इतना दूर हो जाऊंगा. कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगा. रोज लेता हूँ लाइव क्लास लेकिन मज़ा नहीं आता पढ़ाने में. रोज लेता हूँ लाइव क्लास लेकिन मज़ा नहीं आता पढ़ाने में. जिस फ़ोन से दूर रहने की करता था अक्सर बात, उसी के पास रहने को समझाऊंगा. कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगा. लॉकडाउन में ढील होती है कभी जाने लगा हूँ स्कूल. लॉकडाउन में ढील होती है कभी कभी जाने लगा हूँ स्कूल. लेकिन वह स्कूल नहीं सिर्फ इमारत है. बिना बच्चों के सुने बेंचे, खाली मैदान, सुनसान आंगन, कॉरिडोर वीरान. इस हालत में भी कभी स्कूल जाऊंगा. कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगा. जिज्ञासु बच्चे आज भी प्रश्न पूछते हैं. लेकिन जिन बच्चों से कुछ पूछता हूँ वे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम कह क्लास छोड़ देते हैं. बिना उन्हें डांटे अपने आप को ही समझाऊंगा. कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगा. सिर में रहता है अक्सर दर्द धीमा धीमा. मन भी विचलित है. कभी वीडियो बनाता हूँ, कभी गूगल टेस्ट बनाता हूँ. फिर भी लगता है शिक्षण अधूरा. अपने आप को इतना विवश पाऊंगा. कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगा. धन्यवाद.
Now, from primary section we have Ananya Nair who will give a short speech on Teachers' Day.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Rohini Ma'am, Rashmi Ma'am, Jaswinder Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Ananya Nair from class 4B. Today I am going to say a few words on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated across India on 5th September. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second President of India and an excellent teacher. India had great and famous teachers like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Savitribai Phule, and their aim was education to all. While our parents take the responsibility of love and care, our teachers guide and educate us to become successful in life. Teachers play a big role in building the characters of students and are the backbone of the society. They inspire, motivate, and nourish us with knowledge and prepare us to face the difficulties in life. We must always respect our teachers. During such pandemic times when everything around us is so difficult, our teachers are taking out time in teaching and grooming us. A big thank you to all the teachers who work so hard. We students are grateful to all of you
We promise to make you proud someday. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
Teachers can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. Now I request Aradhna Miss to give vote of thanks.
One book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the world. Good morning, one and all. I, Aradhna Maurya, would like to wish our Principal Sir and all the teachers a happy Teachers Day and present the vote of thanks. I thank our school management, Principal Sir, Primary Headmistress Jagdale Ma'am, Pre-Primary Headmistress Rashmi Ma'am and our Supervisor Jaswinder Ma'am for their support. I would also like to thank all the teachers for their guidance and also our non-teaching staff. I would like to extend my thanks to the activity team members and their students for their Teachers Day program, especially in this pandemic situation. Thank you all and have a nice day.